If you're experiencing subscription errors on Jelly.io, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix common problems. Step 1. Check your payment information. Ensure that your payment details are up to date. Log into your account and verify that your credit card or payment method has not expired and that all information is entered correctly. Step 2. Review subscription status. Navigate to your account settings and check the status of your subscription. Make sure that your subscription is active and that there are no pending issues that need to be addressed. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SR to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, is something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the problem continues, reach out to Jelly.io's customer support. Provide them with details about the error message you are receiving and any steps you have already taken to resolve the issue. Step 5. Check for system updates. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Jelly.io platform. Sometimes subscription errors can occur due to outdated software. Check for any updates and install them if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any subscription errors on Jelly.io efficiently. If problems persist, continue to communicate with customer support for further assistance.